What the heck?
A thunderstorm warning for
Oh, shoot!
southeastern Geneva County in southeastern Alabama.
Oh, shoot!
Southeastern Houston County in southeastern Alabama. Northern Jackson County in Florida.
Ah, the 249!
Western Holmes County in Florida. Southwestern Miller
382.
County in southwestern Georgia. Southwestern Early County in southwestern Georgia.
Holy crap.
Seminole County in southwestern
That
Georgia.
scared the life out of me.
15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:29 p.m. Central
Holy
Daylight
crap.
Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Graceville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size.
That scared the life out of me.
Source.
Like,
radar
seriously.
indicated. Impact.
Oh my God.
Damage to vehicles
I
is
mean, this went off on the first header. I'm like, what?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cottonwood,
You haven't been going
Graceville,
off.
Donaldsonville, Slocum, Malone, Greenwood, Esta, Madrid, Gordon, Iron City, Campbellton, Noma, Jacket, Bascom, Memphis, Crosby,
Ah, shoot,
Greensburg,
Memphis, Florida.
Southern Junction, Lovedale, and Merritt's Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
Scared
floor
the
of
life
the
out of me.
building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Shoot,
until
KH24 is
7:15
glitching.
Central Daylight Time or 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Florida,